City mail gets first crypto paycheck. So guys, we're live on CoinMarketCap blog Alexandria. Shobai Keys, we're reviewing this article. If this is the first time of coming to our YouTube channel, feel free to like, share, subscribe to our YouTube videos, or you can click on the subscribe button down so you get notified whenever we drop beneficial videos. So guys, heading back to the news, we have the contentism of fire. So the new mayor of New York City is receiving his first paycheck today and has confirmed that it's automatically being converted into BTC and Ether. So back in November, Eric Adams had vowed to take his first 3 paychecks in crypto, upstaging Miami's mayor Francis Suarez, who had merely offered to take just one of his salary payments in BTC. So all of this comes as both men vie to build the crypto-friendlier cities in America. Firmly believe that supporting the industry is key to unlocking innovation, wealth, and prosperity. The Department of Labor rules mean that Adams cannot directly receive his paycheck in crypto, meaning the funds have to go through Coinbase first. In a statement, the new mayor added, "New York is the center of the world and we want it to be the center of cryptocurrency and other financial innovations. Being on the forefront of such innovation will help us create jobs, improve our economy, and continue to be a magnet for talent from all over the globe." And New York City's Chief Technology Officer, Matt Fraser, from being the primary means by which we close both digital and financial divide, technology continues to be the great equalizer. This step taken by the mayor provides a leading example of how we can empower people through tech with a more diverse set of options to manage their finances. So let's talk logistics. According to the New York Times, Adams is going to be paid about $260,000 a year for his role as mayor. He receives a paycheck every 2 weeks with gross pay of $9,924,000. So, baptism of fire. Adams might have dodged a bullet with his first paycheck, assuming that the conversion into crypto took place at midnight New York time. The mayor would have inadvertently managed to buy the dip. The crypto paychecks remain relatively niche, despite increasing levels of adoption over recent months. Late last year, Coinbase unveiled a new feature that allows users to deposit their paychecks straight into their accounts, enabling conversions to be made into dozens of coins without transaction fees. The company also confirmed that it plans to make it easier for businesses to pay their employees using digital assets. But given how BTC can easily lose 10% of more of its value in a single day, the number of merchants who accept it as payment method remains extremely limited. Crypto paychecks remain impractical for most everyday consumers. So guys, that's all we have on CoinMarketCap on news review. Shobai Keys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. See you in our future uploads. Stay safe.